I'm gonna demonstrate how to professionally do with your ramp or your skate if you have. So first, let's go with the ollie. You might want to get something that's called a stick. It's like tape, but whatever. Grip tape that gives you the grip that you need, probably for the ollie that's best for you. So you start with your index finger and your middle finger. Your middle finger at this point, and the index finger in the middle. But normally what I do, if they say you need to do this and slide your index finger, actually just do this. Do this, put your index finger at the end, and then there you have the ollie. Now let's get to the probably a very confusing and hard trick, but I mean practice makes perfect, right? So do the ollie, and then you this is called the impossible. Just kind of like put your finger and stick it with the board, and then it's just gonna make a circle, right? So when it comes like probably at this position, put your index finger quickly and then do that. Kind of a work in progress for that. So yeah, and then now getting to a very probably basic trick is, I call it the turn board, the turn trick, like this, very easy, right? Just try to give them my momentum, like that. Basically, you just, like that, and if you want to do, as I call the pop turn, pop your board, and then just try to like turn it like that. Kind of how you do it, like that. And then now, if you want to do that, okay, fine, the turn trick, right, like that, fine. And then just pretty cool trick for me, ollie. Trying to give it a moment, I'm sorry. And then ollie, grind. There. Basic, easy on tricks. So just kind of practice this if you have this type of skate rink thing, or just probably practice it with an own. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and hope you guys have a good time. Okay, bye.